So today we're going to take a look at this little jump starter pack that was sent out to me by Scosche to try out and test. I appreciate them sending this out, and we're going to go ahead and put this thing through the paces real quick and see how this unit operates. I've got a vehicle here behind me that actually will not start right now, so this should be a pretty good test for this to see how this little unit does. This little unit is capable of putting out 2,000 amps at its peak and should be able to start a vehicle that is a 7-liter diesel engine or an 8-liter gas engine for that matter. Now this particular engine that we've got behind me now that we're going to use for testing today is a 4.8-liter gas engine. So this thing should have no problems at all getting this vehicle to start. Now you first get this thing out of the box, you're going to want to go ahead and throw it on the charger just to make sure it is fully topped off. You'll see on the front here when you hit the power button that you'll get little blue lights there that'll illuminate. If you get 4 lights, that means it's fully charged, and 3 lights will get a vehicle done. If you see 2 lights, you probably want to go ahead and throw this back on the charger and get it topped off before you try to start your vehicle. That's just a good rule of thumb to go by. You're also going to get your set of jumper cables here that'll plug in right here on the side, and you'll see pretty easy laid out instructions. We'll go over this here in just a second, and then on the back side here, you'll see a little graph here. So if you see these lights light up in certain sequence, you'll know what to check, and just in case you've got a problem that you've encountered along the way. Now this unit will also come with a nice little carrying case. Now it is a soft bag case. Some of the units nowadays are coming with a hard back case, which is actually my preference, but nonetheless, being able to keep all your contents stored away in one little bag is a handy thing to have, as well as it'll come with a USB charging cable and a cigarette lighter adapter as well. So if you've got a cable that you plug in your vehicle and you wanted to be able to use this to charge your devices, whether you're taking this out to the ball field with you, or you just need to charge your phone and you're running out of juice and you're not going to be with your vehicle for a little while, you're able to do all that from this little jump pack as well. You'll see you've got your flashlight here. That's capable of being steady on, it'll flash, or you can do an SOS pattern as well. And then you've got your 2 output ports here, so technically you can charge 2 different devices at once. You've got your input for charging, as well as that's where that cigarette lighter adapter goes. And then when you pull your little door down, that's where we had the jumper cables installed just a second ago. On the front side here, it's a pretty easy layout. You've basically just got your power button and your flashlight button here. So you'll see, you hit your flashlight and you hold that down. There's your steady light on, there's your strobe pattern, and then you got your SOS pattern there as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the vehicle real quick and we'll show you what we got going on. Now I've got a multimeter out here with me. I'm gonna show you the voltage that this vehicle's sitting at right now. So you'll see on my multimeter when I plug up, I'm sitting at, looks like 11.8 volts right at the moment. So let's go ahead and see if we can start the vehicle. I'll show you that it does not start. Right over here and crank the key real fast. Oh. Just barely tried to crank, but would not turn over. So now let's go ahead and hook up our jump pack here, and I'll show you how this operates. And this thing should have, like I said, no problem jump starting this vehicle. Now the battery inside this little thing is a lithium-ion, and it is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It should be more than enough to jump start this vehicle more than once before you have to charge it again. The other thing I want to go ahead and show you too is if you hook these leads up backwards on the battery by accident, it's going to beep at you like this. It's also going to display a red light on the jumper cable, letting you know you got the polarity reversed and you need to switch that around. So let me go ahead and do that. Now these are also spark-free cables as well. So if you were to put these through like this, it's protected against shorts. You don't have to worry about that. And then not to mention, it's also got built-in technology, so it's not going to ever charge, over discharge, overheat, you name it. Now you heard the unit there click a couple times, and there's a boost button on the side as well that you can push if you've got extremely low voltage. But we should go over to the vehicle now, and I should be able to fire this thing right up real quick. So let's go ahead and do that and see what we get. And just like that, fired right up, no problems at all. So that's really all there is to this little unit here. It should be able, like I said, get a couple jump starts out of this pack between charges before you have to recharge this thing again. But whether it just be for your own personal vehicle, or if you've got a kiddo going to college or just a high school kid and you want to give them something that they can jump start themselves without throwing them a set of jumper cables and having to rely on somebody else in the parking lot helping them out, this would be a great gift around that time. Or just having the peace of mind throwing it in any vehicle, like I said, just to know they're going to be able to get back on the road. Hopefully that was enough information for you to make a decision as to whether this little unit by Scosche is the right unit for you or not. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.